Hey everyone, and welcome to Home Network's DIY Studio. Your home should be more than just a place to live. It should grow with you.
Exactly, and whether you're expanding your family, creating a home office, or planning for the future, smart design and financial planning make all the difference, including selecting a mortgage that works best for you.
And to help us break it all down, we've got real estate expert Daniel Foch with us here today.
Thanks for having me.
Nice to meet you.
See ya.
So buying a home is one thing, but we're hearing a lot of concern about housing affordability in the market right now. And buying a home that works with every phase of life is a challenge, and that's where strategy comes in.
So let's talk about flexibility. One of my favorite ways to really create a home that can evolve with your family is through flexible multi-use spaces. So this office is a perfect example because it could be a guest room, it could be a playroom. I hear you have 2 little ones.
Yeah, 2 kids, and honestly, there's toys everywhere, so a playroom would be great right now.
Structurally, planning ahead is key also. When you're building or renovating, creating beams in places like this so you can easily add a door, add a wall, change the space, maybe turn this into an entire multi-generational living space.
And I think everything that you're describing from a real estate perspective are all things that would add value to the property in the fullness of time. If you go to sell the property, you want to be thinking about who's going to be buying it, and all of those things would expose the listing to more and more potential purchasers, which really drives the resale value.
Well, it's about smart planning, right? Whether we're looking at built-ins, whether we're looking at pocket doors, even just the materials that we use, how we can future-proof our home and really not have to make those constant updates.
And financially, homeowners should think about mortgage flexibility. RBC understands that mortgage seekers are looking for flexibility and personalization, which is why they offer solutions that fit your life and current financial needs. Whether it's adjusting payments, choosing bi-weekly versus monthly schedules, or thinking about your amortization length. The key is thinking ahead, both in design and in finances.
A home should grow with you, and a little planning today saves big headaches later.
Thanks, Daniel, for all the expert advice.
Thank you for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time on Home Network's DIY Studio, presented in part by RBC.
Your idea of home happens here.